Calling all buyers. Case Concepts has built this cutie. It's got an open concept, it's comfortable, and it's cozy. Come and see it.
Wonderful floor plan in this 3-bedroom, 2-bath garden home, featuring approximately 1,695 square feet. Amenities include raised ceilings, beautiful quality flooring, granite countertops, and so much more. Enjoy the large living area that is open to the dining and kitchen with neutral colors throughout. The large master suite is isolated with a deluxe master bath with separate shower and jetted tub. You'll love the large back patio and sprinkler system and sod in front and backyard included. 10-year structural warranty provided.
This new construction home with great craftsmanship in Canyon was created just for you. For your personal tour, call me, Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.